Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today I have an interview schedule. That's why we are late in joining the live session. So, in the last session, what we have done, so let me share my screen so that everyone can able to see my screen. So, I hope everyone is able to see my screen now. In the last session, we have done till this point. Let me open the folder. We have a folder that is an live session. In documents, live bootcamp, and let's open this design because I want to only display this what is in the live server. So let's allow this out, and after that I will be what I will be doing, I will be clicking open with live server. So as soon as I open this out, so I'm standing at this image. So I think the image didn't get load, or we can open the folder again because earlier it was getting loaded. So let's file, open folder. Let's open the complete live bootcamp folder in the document. So I will be opening this complete so that our design should look complete as is. So what I will be doing, I will be opening this folder and then I will be opening the same in the live. In the last session, we have completed till this point where our design, that is, if I open the image, so if I open my design image, that is this image, where is my image coming? So here is my design. We have reached till this point where our design is looking like this. Our desktop design has been prepared. We have made it in such a way that it should give me a card system only. Now it's the time to move on to the responsive design. So in order to move on to responsive design, what I need to do here, I need to set this image here. So first question that arises in every designer mind is, do I need to align this image here only? Because if I see the design that has been given by the designer or any person, so here the image size is coming small. So the first question that many freshers ask me, Trishu, do we need to attach this image here only? The answer is no. First, you have to check the repository that you are getting. So if you check the repository that is given by the design system, or so here you will be getting the images where Hero Mobile is given as a separate image. So you will be seeing here we have a separate image that is coming here. So the model that is coming earlier was for desktop design, and this model is for mobile design. So let's start with the mobile design as well. So simply what I will be doing after the base apparel, I will be adding the image. So just allow me a minute. I think I'm getting a call. Sorry, I got a call from someone. So I just told him that we will have a discussion later. So what I need to add, I need to just add my image that is of mobile here. And further, while doing the responsive design, we will be further proceeding. Okay, so let's add the image here. So in order to add the image here, what I will be doing, I will be going here, and after base apparel, where base apparel is looking, so where is base apparel look, that is logo. So what I will be doing, I will be adding mobile mob image. I will be creating the mob image class, and here what I will be doing, I will be doing img src is equal to, so here like why image src is not giving me anything. So what I will be doing, I will be doing image src is equal to / design August 2025 images, and here I will be selecting here mobile.jpg. So let's save this out and let's check our design, how my design is looking. So now my design is looking like this. It is not looking beautiful, I know that, but let's make it beautiful like we have reached till this point. So what I will be doing here, I will be just giving display none on this image. So what I will be doing, I will be adding dot mob image. Is this the class name? Let's check if this is the class name, that is mob image. So let's copy this out, and after copying, what I will be doing, where I've added it here. So let's paste it here, and what I will be doing, I will be giving display none. So as soon as you give the display none, so our design is coming as it was coming earlier. So once we are done with this, next step is let's make this design responsive. So in order to make this design responsive, what we need to do, we need to first set the breakpoints for this. We know that we have a media query in HTML and CSS. In order to add the media query, let's check out the syntax. What we will be doing at the end of this, we will be doing @media screen. Here I can add the max width or min width. So what I will be doing, max, not max width, I will be adding, yeah, let's keep it max width, and let's keep it 992 px. Let's try it out since we are here in the design. What I will be doing, dot mob image. So what I will be doing, display colon block. This is the first design that I will be doing, and if I go on the second will be my this image, that is box2. So what I will be doing, I will be simply giving dot box2 is equal to display none. Let's first see how it is coming. So before moving further, what I will be doing, I will be I need to add and here, because as soon as you add the and, so now at 992 pixel, if you go here in the 992 pixel, so I think we are in the responsive. So no, I think let's play around with this. So we are at 400. So nothing came. Why it hasn't come? So let's see why it hasn't come. So that is mobile image. I have mob image. I have given display none, and here I am giving the max. Oh, I have misspelled this. Now the things are coming as per expectation. So we have hi Mohammed. How are you? Yes, you can ask me the doubt. What is your doubt, Mohammed? So I'm always happy to help because I thought that no message has come. So that's why I didn't reply to you. Okay, moving ahead. Since you are not replying, we will be looking out for the comment further. So let's now check what is coming now. I think let's cancel this out, and let's check our design now. What is coming? If you go here at 992 pixel, let's make it 993 pixel. So the design is not coming. And if I go on 990 pixel, then this image is coming. So what we need to do now, we need to hide this as well in before 992. So what I will be doing, I will be giving one simple code, that is dot box2. I will be giving display none. So by giving a display none, we will be seeing how our design is looking. So we will be going. So here my design is looking fine. But if I select 992 pixels, it is not coming in the center. It is either breaking down in this as a small design. So let's make it 100%. So in order to make it 100%, what I will be doing, I will be adding box1 width is equal to 100%. Okay, so let's make it 100% and check. Now my design has been flourished, but my image is coming as a small. It should take 100% of it. So let's fix it. So how we will be fixing it? Its width is less. So let's make it, let's see the design first. how the mobile design is looking. So this is a desktop design. So let's delete the desktop design, and now let's move on to mobile design, how the mobile design is looking. So if I go here and if I click mobile design, where is my images? Oh, not here. Let's click the images. So this is the mobile design. This is how my images look. So if the image size don't get increased, let's make the breakpoint to come on the less thing. Okay, so let's go here on Visual Studio Code. Instead of 962, 992, let's make it 768 px. Okay, and instead box one, we will be playing around with the image first of all. Let's see how our design is coming now. So now I think we got settled. Uh, oh, what is happening? So let's remove this out and let's try again. I will be clicking inspect image, and as soon as I click, so we are getting a scroll first of all. That is not needed here. So if I compare my design, the this should also come in the justify center, justify content center, or text center. Let's make it text center, or we can search on the chat GPT as well, how to display text in center in HTML. So we have it. Let's see how we can do it. So we have text align center, this property that is text align center. So let's copy the text align center and let's paste it here. Where's my box? So what I will be doing? So what is my content that has code in it? So it is, I think, description. So what I will be doing, dot description. You are looking out one thing, that we are doing all the things in here. So what I will be doing, that is text align center. So as soon as I give the text align center, now if I go on my design, where is my design? So now my text is coming as per my image. I know that the things are not coming as expected, but you are saying, you are noticing one more thing. If you can give the text align center to all the things that are coming here, then it will be great. So what I will be doing, I will be giving text align center to my box one instead of box two. So what I will be doing, dot box one text align center, and let's see how the things are working. So not we are not getting settled as per the coming soon. If I see the image, so we are coming soon. So let's see what is the issue here. So let's click on VR, and what is the issue with coming soon. So let's see. Okay, we coming soon as doesn't pick padding, whereas if we select VR, VR is why VR is coming in the center. So let's see the property, what all properties are there in the VR. So font size 45 pixels, font fit 100. Why VR is giving, okay. VR should also come in the center. Coming soon should also come in the center, no? Why coming soon is not coming in the center? I think we have given the padding, that's why we are facing the issue. So it's 0 pixel. Let's increase, top is good. Right, let's reduce the right. Okay, let's reduce the right, top, right, bottom, and we have one property that is left. Okay, so let's add some here as well. Let's make s, yeah. Now this is the new padding that coming is displaying. Okay, so in the small layout, what I will be doing, I will be copying this and will be pasting this out, so that our design should look at least now good. So what I will be doing, dot coming, and here, oh my bad, I copied everything, but the things got copied here as well. And let's remove this as well, and let's save this out. So once we are done with this, so let's move forward and see if our design is looking cool or not. So now we are coming soon as looking good. And if I need to increase the size till 768. Till 768, it should look good. So what I will be doing, instead of 50%, where is 50%? Let's make it 100%. Okay, so 100% the image is not looking good. So what I will be doing, I will be setting this image to display 100 width as 100%. So what I will be doing, because the image is creating an issue here, so what I will be doing in here, what I will be giving, let's give a inline styling for once. If that gets settled, then we will be moving it into the internal. I know that internal styling is not recommended, so but just for the sake of design, so let's make it. So I will be giving width 100%. Oh my bad, right? 100%. Okay, we are good with the height, so there is no issue. So let's check if any difference has happened or not. So no, there is no difference happen here. If I have added with 100%. So how, let's ask from the chat GPT. Let's open the chat GPT in such scenario. How do we, or someone can comment me how we can increase the size of image. I want this as an interactive session. How we can increase the size of image coming in img src tag. So let's check how what he is thinking. Even ChatGPT is trying to think how. Oh, it is giving me like width height that we have already given. So let's make it like this. Width equal to 13 rem. Let's make it 13 rem and see width equal to 45 rem. If this works or not. So let's check it out now. Now it is looking good. See, something the chat GPT helps. So now my image is looking good. So if I have given REM, now I don't have to worry. So my image is looking good. So instead, let's make it as 100% now, so that my box 2 also align with the settings. So what I will be doing, box 2 with 100%. 100, not this. Instead of this, I will be adding box 1. Box 1 has a content, so what I will be doing, box 1 is equal to here what I will be doing, I will be doing width is equal to 100%. So let's save this out, and after saving, so let's check. Now our design has been broken, so we will be fixing it out. Also, you are able to see one more thing. Your logo is not coming now. Where that logo has gone, so let's check it out. So if I go, my logo has been hidden by the image, that is mobile image. So let's hide this image and check if my box is coming or not. I think my design has been broken. So let's decrease the size first. Anyone can suggest me what all things can be done here. So here my image has been broken. Now the things are coming right. So base apparel is coming, and now the logo has been set. Just we need to make this come in the center. So let's inspect this element, not like this, but let's inspect this. Let's see how our box 1 is this. Now let's, so yes, box 1. So my design is getting break here. And how much? Yes, it is breaking a lot. So what we can do, okay, if I'm adding a text align center, so my logo is also getting break. So if you see the mobile image, that is coming here, not in the center. So what I will be doing, I will be doing separately the text align center. So let's do the text align centers separately for each one of the thing, not box 1. So I will be deleting box 1 and let's save this out. And after doing it, what I will be doing, I will be refreshing this out. Now also the things are not coming settled as we want. So we will be just doing the width and height in REM. So let's see. So what we have done, we are padding are good. We are good with this. So let's make this come in the center. Or let's leave it for now. Email address is looking cool. Um, let's decrease the size of image. Let's fix for 768 first. 780 we are good. 766. If 766 get fixed, then we are good. So is this image good for 766? No, it is getting override. So let's decrease the size of this image. So we will go here and let's reduce it to some small size, because this is my minimum size that is required. So now this is a design that I'm looking out for desktop. Also, what I will be doing, I will be removing the margin 0 auto from my container from responsive. So what I will be doing, so sub container margin auto, margin 0 pixels. So what I will be doing here, I will be simply going on to my media query and let's do one thing. Dot. What I will be doing, let's make it sub container width is equal to no width, but either margin 0 px. So let's make it 0 and see if any difference come here. Let's refresh this out. Now the things are better. With 0 pixels the things are coming. Just we have to make it come in the center. So in inspect, we will be inspecting this out. Complete box 1. Box 1 size is still 50%. Let's make it 100%. Second property. So what we will be doing here, dot box 1 width 100%. Since we need it 100%, why we need 100%? Because finally all the things are coming as per my mobile view. So now the things are broken, but let's see how we will be adjusting it. So this is a responsive. Desktop is okay. I think desktop is okay, but we are getting break at 759. Is the image settled? If I compare with the image, yes, it is settled. We is this settled? We are getting more padding, more margin between them. So that is logo. So okay, so let's go for logo first. And if I go on logo, padding bottom is equal to 7 rem. Let's reduce it to 4 rem in the mobile. So what I will be doing, I will be simply going here and here what I will be doing dot logo, and what I will be doing, I will be doing padding bottom is equal to 4 rem. So let's save this out. After saving this out, you are seeing now the things are looking as per my image expectation. Yes, 4 is also coming on the larger side. So let's reduce it to 3. Let's make it 3 rem or 2.8 rem. Let's make it 2.8 rem and let's check if the things are coming as expectation. Yes, now the things are coming expectation. Next thing, what you need to do, something is getting baked. What is getting baked? This image is making the size not different from what. So let's check what is we are coming. I think we have given this image to the box 2. That's why it is getting fluttered. So let's check how much width we have given to this image. So I think we have already given, uh, check it out in the box 1. I think in the box 1, where is box 1? Let's check it. Oh, here. So here what I will be doing, I will be copying this out in the responsive, and I will be giving based on REM. That is 100. Instead of 100%, I think this image is coming as 100%. So, and that is, let's make the width same. What is the width we are giving? Let's copy this out first. Um, we will be copying this box 1, and we will be pasting the box 1 here. So where is box 1? Yes, the box 1 is here. So let's save it. And here also what I will be doing, width to 100%. Okay, so instead of 100%, let's make everything look similar. How everything will look similar? I will be setting my model image similar to my things that are coming. What I have given, image size is equal to width is equal to 45 rem. So let's copy this. So let's make it 45 rem for all. Nothing more, nothing less, because that is a mean solution that we can do. So let's make it 45 rem. Oh, my bad. Let's make it 45 rem, so that we should look at as the same on papers, and further we will be second on the zero ground how the things are looking. So let's save this out, and as soon as we save this out, so now you are able to see that where is my image. Now the image is coming as is, that is required. That is, they are not getting fluttered out of the things. So let's see where, other than this, if I click here, full design, so you will be seeing your container where the container is coming. So sub container is giving me the nuisance. So this is container and this is sub container. So let's remove the display flex property, and let's see, oh, on the sub container we have a flex that is giving me extra space. Okay, so let's check the sub container for now. What is the issue here in the sub container? And or we can just give justify content space evenly. So just try this out. So what I will be doing in the in the container, I think we have given the flex. So let's remove the flex from the container. So where is my container? Oh, container. Control F. Let's search container, and all the container is coming. Sub container, sub container is not coming. I think, oh, we have given the flex here, and just give, we will be giving justify content space evenly. Okay, so in sub container, in, so what I will be doing, justify content space evenly. Let's try this out. If the things are working in our direction, no, the things are not working. Let's make it space. Oh, we have added the concept there. So let's play around with in the responsiveness. So where we have added, so let's click here, inspect element. So where is my, this is coming. So I think the content should, oh, space evenly. So let's change it to space between. So we have center, end, flex, start, flex, end, normal, left, right, space between, start, make it stretch. So the things are Let's reduce the, we can reduce the width. So what, nothing is matching. So let's see how we can reduce or we can remove the, how to remove flex from the responsiveness. So let's check from ChatGPT. So how to remove, how to remove flex property. Oh, the image which we have done display none is giving me this. How to remove flex property in responsiveness after we have given display none to div. So we have searched like this and check. We need to remove the things manually. So what I will be doing? So container display none. Okay, and display none after we have made the display none. Further, how will we display, or we can give display block. This is the right approach. So instead of this is the right approach. Let's try it with the display block instead of it. So those who are new in my chat, so the problem statement that we are fixing in the responsiveness, we are getting this. So if I go here in the mobile design, we are just hiding this image as display none. As soon as we are doing the display none, we are getting this extra space. So in order to reduce the extra space, what all things we need to do here? We are trying to give the display block to the subcontainer. So what I will be doing, I will be doing display block. So as soon as I give display block to this point, still also I'm getting this space. Why I'm getting this space? Because for 768 pixels, my image is not coming as per expectation, as per size. So I have hard coded the size of this image to 45 rem. So let's change it from 45 rem. So please suggest me in the comment what is best suited. Instead of 45 rem, can we add something else? So I have hard coded it to 4.5 45 rem. Let's make it to 55 rem. 55 rem. 55 rem. And the next property is uh, box 1. Okay. So what I will be doing to subcontainer, that is display block. Display block has removed the box at least. And further, if I go further to my design, where is my design? So this is fixed. Subcontainer display blocks, just images left, that is mobile image. Let's make it 55 now. Save it. So let's save it. And if I go here, now the things are coming as per expectation, but the things are getting break. So please suggest me in the comment. Let's check from this how to remove scroll from the from the responsive design if we have given image size in rem. So let's see, we have given the image size in rem, small resolution. We can give max height width as 100%. So let's copy this out. I think this will help us. That is max width. So let's play around with the max width style. Let's, instead of this, max width equal to, oh my bad. So let's make it max width equal to 100%, or also let's remove this out. And here also I have hard coded the things. So instead of 55 variant, so that is 100%. Let's give it 100%, and here max width equal to 100%. Max width, that is max width equal to 100%. So let's give it 100% and let's see if we are making this up to the mark or not. So let's check over into design. So now the things are coming as expected, but we are on the ground zero. So this is the design which we need to fix. Okay, so let's max width equal to 100%. So I need to increase the width here. So let's play around with the image. So max width is not giving, the image size is also small. So 70868, we are getting a scroll. So let's leave the scroll for now. Let's just fix the text and let's complete the design. In the future design, we will be seeing how these things will work, will get fixed. So what we will be doing here? So inspect element. Oh, acha, we have also given the 50% width. Huh? We have removed the max width instead of max width. Let's make it width. Now the things are dropped, and or we can try it out with the min width. Let's play around with the min hyphen width equal to 100%. Okay, so now my image is getting settled. Similarly, let's give it instead of max, let's make it min width, and here also what I will be doing, I will be giving min width equal to 100%. So now the things are as expected. Okay, we are getting scrolled, so let's think about it later. Let's now fix the we are coming soon. So we will be just giving copying the class and we will be just aligning, that is we are dot we are comma dot coming. What I will be doing, text align center, and let's see how our design is looking. So we are coming soon is coming, right? Just we need to give the padding to the coming soon. So where our padding has landed. So I think, okay. So let's increase the padding here. Let's increase top right. Or let's keep it like this only. We are coming soon, and just this paragraph needs to be fixed. So let's see how we will be fixing it. I think our design has broke. If I check the image, that is this image, everything is has padding here. So let's make the box to give the padding here. Padding 50 px. Padding equal to 50 px. No, nothing is coming. Okay. Let's try it out this way. Now this is getting bright. Let's keep everything down in the block. Okay, so what we will be doing, after moving dot semi, let's keep it semi, and let's up till this point. What I will be doing, I will be giving the style to this semi in the responsive side only. So let's do dot semi and padding is equal to top right 0 px, or top left, top bottom, and yeah, here what I will be doing, 12 rem. Let's give 12 rem here. So as soon as we give 12 rem, now the things are looking cool. At least the things are looking cool that we expected. Now the everything is getting settled. What I've done, I've given this into a block. But this block is coming very much. So the things are coming as expected. But 45, what I have given 12 REM. Let's decrease it to 6 REM. Let's decrease it to 6 REM and let's check how it is looking. So 6 REM is less. Okay, so let's make it full screen. Inspect element. Coming soon is this image is basically great image. Or let's do one thing. Next vect equal to. Let's play around with the image. Instead, I will be doing 70%. Okay, let's see. In 70%, if the things are cool, 70% is not cool. So we also need to decrease the height of this to 70%. Let's make it 70 as well. I think this is a roadblocker. The image is a roadblocker, 70%. So we need to focus more on now the things are coming good. Okay. Where is that image? Yes, that is. Or let's leave it as is and let's fix it for this design. That is 520 pixels. Or let's play around with this image, how much we are getting. Let's decrease the breakpoint from here 768. Let's make 552 pixels. I know that this has been ridiculous since I haven't touched HTML from around 80 days, 80 to 90 days, and now it is playing around with me. So it is better to keep in touch in everything because I'm from Salesforce background and from 90 days I'm playing around with Salesforce only. So if you want to continue growing in the design, keep your hands on all the day. So we are just practicing. We have just started this live session. So let's see how we will be landing and how we will be making a design. So let's do one thing here. Instead of doing here, what I will be doing, I will be changing it to 100%. Let's make it 100% and main width. Okay, 70%. So let's take now 70 is giving me. We can do one thing. We can make full box display in the center. So what I will be doing, let us justify content center. Let's play around in this way and what we have given display none. Okay, so let's see now the things are coming. No, let's play around with this more. What I will be doing, box one, what I will doing, so justify items. No, this property didn't work. Let's get the display flex as well. Display flex. Okay. By using flex, they are taking different directions. Why it is taking different direction? First of all, box one. Okay, let's see here. So in box one, what we have given the logo first, then we have given the mobile image. No, not box one. Let's give to sub container. Let's play around with the sub container first. Display, not display block, will display flex and justify content center. Let's play around with this. Okay, let's remove the part of text align center. Let's delete it and let's check it now how the things are coming. So now this is coming in the center. Just we need to fix the image. That's this. Okay. 100%. Just VR is not coming in the center. Coming soon is good. VR is not coming in the center. So let's do one thing. Let's add Control Z, and here, where is my image? It should be 100% now. Let's give 100%. So as soon as we give 100%, now my image is coming in the center. And if we see here, by 552, and after that, this is the design that we have created. So I know that the responsive is not working as per expected. We have a scrolls, and so this is the first design. We will be gradually increasing the content quality, and we will be bringing on more practicality, so that at some day we will be removing the scroll that is coming. Okay, so let's complete our live session third here, in which we have almost completed our third design, where the responsive is coming like this without scroll, and that is which is coming with the scroll. The scroll is main problem, and in scroll this image is basically a big problem. So this image is not getting sent. So we will be reading more on the. So I will be keeping a live session more on the here as well. So thank you. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining. And please subscribe my channel. So I will be bringing on more content, more such content like this. Thank you.